Hey there, if you've got your Silhouette Cameo 4, you know how important it is to get those blade settings just right. Whether you're cutting cardstock, vinyl, or fabric, the perfect blade depth makes all the difference between a clean cut and a frustrating mess. Also, if you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to call us at the numbers on the screen. Our team is here to help. Alright, let's get started. Open Silhouette Studio on your computer and ensure your Cameo 4 is connected via USB or Bluetooth. Import or create the design you want to cut in the workspace. Click on the Send tab on the right side of the screen to access the cutting settings panel. In the Send panel, locate and click on the Material drop-down menu. Browse through the material list and select the type of material you're planning to cut, such as vinyl, cardstock, or heat transfer vinyl. If you're enjoying the video, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss helpful tutorials like this. The software will automatically set the blade depth, force, and speed based on your material selection. If you want to manually adjust settings, click on the More button. Here, adjust the blade settings 1 to 10 for AutoBlade, force, and speed as needed for your specific material. Insert the AutoBlade into carriage 1 until it clicks securely into place. Click the Save As to save your blade settings. Cut your design to check whether the blade depth is correct. If it doesn't cut properly, you can return to More options and adjust the settings accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.